So Darrell, in general, you're in favor of international developed market equities. Does that
Yes.
include UK?
It does include UK, and actually it's surprising because the UK markets have done fundamentally better than what you would expect under Brexit, right? A 15% trade-weighted drop in the pound sterling probably has something to do with that, but construction data has been better, consumer data has been better of late, and certainly with that drop in sterling and what's happening, it's going to favor some of the exporting companies out of the UK. I do think to the point made earlier, when you think about this, it really revolves around three things to me. One is, how fast can they get a transitional trade agreement in place? And can Theresa May negotiate that before year end? Because that's important to business versus extended into next year. Second, consolidation of the government, right? Can the government stay? Can she hold the Conservative Party in power and continue to build that? And third, there's an outstanding question around kind of legal enforceability of Article 50, right? And how do the legal courts deem any new trade agreements going forward, David?
Yeah, can I just ask, Stephen, let me ask you, the UK economy was holding up really well, but now actually pretty much every economic indicator seems like it's turning except for the employment data. And that's what people are really going to feel. When do you think that will start to turn?
Well, traditionally, employment's a lagging indicator, so I think we're going to have to see demand drop. One of the characteristics of the end of a cycle and the beginning of a downturn is that productivity really, takes a hit relative to its previous trends. So I think that we could end up, this could be the initial signs that the chickens are coming home to roost. Like Darrell was saying, they didn't exit, but they had a big drop in exchange rate. That's actually stimulus, and we saw that stimulus kind of go through the economy. That's one-off. Now they may be sort of facing the reality that money doesn't want to come in because of the uncertainty, and that wave of stimulus has played its course.